locating Jimmy and Kate clone, locating Jimmy and Kate. Oh, ugh, that Jimmy and Kate clone really turned Chicken Wings thing into a tree. Come on. Next information is heading to Helper Hard Hat so he can repair the ships. Helper Hard Hat is going to repair the ships. Huh? Well, I certainly can stop Jimmy and Kate clone when well, they don't have time because they didn't bring any weapons to help to fight me off, unless they might bring emergency weapons. So yeah, I'll just wait till Jimmy the Kate clone go there. Now, time to get these repairs moving. Now, time for rest. When's Jimmy going to be done? When's she going to be done with getting dressed? I don't know. Is she going to be done soon? Was it going to take her another minute? Hours? Years? Or is she just going to be here right now? I can't hold on to that. We've been waiting for a minute. Like I said, could be minutes. Could be hours. Could be years. When's she going to get here? Whoa, what's my... Hey, Jimmy! Hi, Jimmy.
Hi. Do you like my new look?
Well, yes, I do. It's awesome. Smooch. 10 hours later, we are still smooching.
A century
later, we are still smooching.
10 centuries
Later, we are still smooching. 100 centuries later, we are still smooching.
Hey,
Whoa! I'm tired after all that smooching. I could just stay down here and take a nap. Oh no, wait! It hasn't been centuries. It's only been minutes. Come on. Let's go see Helper Hard Hat. See how he's doing. Come on.
Can it help her hide what happened? Hey, Helper Hard Hat?
Helper Hard Hat. What?
I thought it was a dog. Alright, time to get these ships repaired. Alright, time to get these ships repaired. Aren't you gonna get our ships repaired? Oh yeah.
Can you do mine first?
Can you do mine first?
Mine first.
Mine first. we're just smooching. Ew.
Wow, it's so funny about the camera can't see
You know,
him.
I'm in love too.
Oh, wow, the camera can't see him. But I can see the camera.
And I can see the camera and it's really large. Like this.
Go up, back. So, let's just get on with the shipbuilding and...
Yeah, this is my helper.
It's
I'm ready to fix ships. I will fix and put oil in Jimmy's.
Click, 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 click.
Wow, he's fast. Wow, he is fast.
Yep. I'm a construction worker. That's why they call me Helper Hard Hat.
Alright, time to get Jimmy's ship. Yay! Oh, this needs some welding. Let's see. If her wings go there, then they weld here. And then they put I think they put the other wing there. Remember, I built these ships for you.
Oh, cool. Helper Hard Hat. But now
Almost done with the
well,
oil.
you rebuilt them, but I never knew how you came to Lego Town, but I've seen you once before you came to Lego Town, maybe. Right? And I think you built our ships, right?
Yeah.
I think Helper Hard Hat did. Is it ever going to be done? Have some fun.
That's the process. Now I gotta bend over. Do these pretend flowers. And this one. Welding.
Welding pretend flowers. How silly is that? I don't know. Well, let's just see if anything
The oil?
comes like That's one silly. No, that's my Nightman helmet. Okay, don't weld anything of those on there. Those are weapons. And other stuff? No. Don't set off the flamethrowers. No! Give me that. Okay, Clone. Now,
Sorry.
let's just see if anything like a... Oh, so what are you going to do? Are you going to get in your ship and attack? Oh, no. That's what you should do, isn't it? That's what you're going to do?
Okay, Clan. Don't do what I'm doing.
Okay, I won't.
Am my ship ready?
I think it is.
Yes. Oh, where's the lasers on this thing?
Jetpack! Short jetpack! Smash!
Oh,
Short
no!
jetpack.
Your ship has run out of oil. Now I have to refill it.
Splash! Oh no! Jamie! You're dead! Hey! Didn't that night run thing say something about, the potion can't do anything! It could make Jemmy come back alive! It was in the Lego news! Greatest night run ever! Whoop, 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 whoop. Point. Boop. Boop.
Hey, he said, please, Jemmy, come back alive.
Please, Jemmy, come back alive. This is what I want the potion to do. Potion, make Jemmy come back alive.
Hi.
Oh,
So
here.
what are we doing?
Ha.
Oh,
Here, quick, take a potion. Turn short jetpack into a tree or something.
okay. Ha.
Now just wait for standing, okay? Wait, what's happening?
You're turning into a tree.
Now just put Jemmy normally sitting, okay? He. This is a fun entertainment. I think I'll sit down and watch it too. Watch your jetpack turn into a tree. Now, maybe if there's too much turning into trees, maybe we could recycle the tree back into more potion. Maybe that should do well with the paper mill. But just so to make this more recyclable and more potion mixable, I'll just burn it. And now I'll put down this and super bomb! Boom! Okay, I did not think that would happen. Well,
Let's rebuild them. We know how for a hard hat. I can rebuild them myself.
Yeah. How about we just do a quick skip? Hey, Camera, can you do a quick skip to fast forward this so that it's faster? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sure. I'll make it. How about, I'm the one filming you, so I think it should be, skip until you fly back to Jimmytown. No, skip until the ships are rebuilt. Isn't that right, Cape Corn? Yep. Well, then I'll skip until the ships are rebuilt. Once I just go down lower. Now, I'll skip to when the ships are rebuilt. Rewinding. Yay, our ships are rebuilt. Hey, thanks, Campbell. Aw, ship's good to help you, bitty figs. Now let's fly. So,
It takes a while.
okay. Now, I think, oh yeah, where were we? Let's just say that this is Lego Town! And a bunch of others too. Ain't that right, Jimmy? A bunch of other towns, but yep, they just destroyed, so we built Lego Town out of them. So let's just say that this is
Lego Town.